initiating this meet. She has been very kind in every forum, and she has persuaded us to organize things. She has been after us like with the hunter, and she has organized all the packets in her room, which you get lovely gift packets. She has done the job, and she will name her husband sitting here. When I was when you get up and say, he was the person who was doing the job.
No, that's also special thanks to our son. Special thanks to our son, Kanda. I was very impressed. He is.
Thanks up to all of you who come from all abroad, from far off the seas. People have joined us from abroad. It is really a miracle that you could come here. For us, we couldn't believe people could fly from such a distance and join this meet. So it is hilarious, and it's hats off to you people, that to us, because you could make us feel that we are important. Thank you.
We make it every year, and it shouldn't be just yesterday once more, like once in 40 years. It should be every year.
It's yesterday once again.
So I think everybody should get up and take a pledge that we must meet. Yeah.
We hereby follow you.
Special thanks to Hema, the excellent communicator who got everybody together.
Yes.
And for the teachers.
Yesterday once more, you should say, play it now.
No, we played it.
Again,
All this while.
Sab ho gaya.
No, okay. Now some fun time. Let's have some anecdotes, whatever.
Can we disperse?
You start. We just have 10-15 minutes for this, and then we do it again later.
I think the group was, I had friends like Jaggi, Munish, Rizwan, and many others who were fabulous, who were fantastic in all their characteristics. Jaggi? And I'd like to share some characteristics today. And I learned a lot from them, and all. Let me tell you 2-3 things. I think we were in 9th standard, and we put 2 bombs. We put 2 bombs in the top, next to the windows. Yeah, Diwali bombs.
Bomb is the wrong word to say, not this.
And we attached to a cigarette, so that it burns slowly. So it was more a time bomb kind of. And then we ran and stood in front of the staff room, and we started talking to serious teachers like Cha and many others. As we were talking to them, the bombs blasted. And he said, run and catch the culprits. So we ran. It was me, Rizwan, I think some friends, 4 or 5 of us. We ran, and obviously there was nobody. Window panes broke. But as Rizwan, he said something stupid. He said, Sir, हमने कुछ नहीं किया. So Jha said something very nice in his own language. He said, "My name is Rizwan." Fantastic. Huh?
He got caught.
He actually used the same school.
Yeah. I think we were caught many times. Anyway, so one more, which pertains to a friend of mine who's sitting here with me. PD. Where is he?
PD what?
Yeah, he's not. You were far superior test. And so he got. And then he came back after the movie, sat in his bus, and some teacher got him.
No.
Achha, Mrs. Bose got him.
Miss
Mrs. Bose was fantastic. She was a great teacher for us, literature. And he went to the principal. Principal was very tough. Bring your father. And clearly he never wanted to bring his father. So he was thinking, and he's a smart guy, and he said finally that, let me bring my elder brother. So there was a guy of his colony,
Kingi.
called Kingi. He was a strong guy of that Liberty cinema area. So he came, they practiced before coming. What should we say to the principal? He was a few years older than Jackie. And then principal said, you know, so he asked the principal, Kingi asked the principal, what did he do? So principal related the incident. He bunked the school, then he came to the bus, he was caught, and it was very, very bad thing for a student to do, and we could rusticate him and all. As this was going on, Kingi slapped him. Now, this was not rehearsed. So his specs fell far away, and he had some tears because that was not rehearsed. Rehearsal was that Kingi will fire him and shout at him and all that. And then principal got scared. He said, "Yeah, you marpeet karo." Okay. Another thing was Kingi had short hair, and Jaggi and others, all of us had very long hair those days. So principal said, "Learn from your brother. See his hair, short hair." He told Kingi that please teach your brother. He should also cut his hair short. No, sir, don't worry, I will correct.
One very important issue is that Kingi was the biggest badmash of that.
Yeah, he was a strong arm guy, biggest gunda of that place. But he was elder brother of Jackie. So principal was very happy that he met the elder brother. Elder brother scolded that guy, slapped him, short hair. Everything was done in a very amicable. We'll tell you now about Manish.
So he told him, Manish, जाओ बात करवा के आओ नीचे नाई से जो बैठा पेड़ के नीचे. तो पैसे नहीं है. So okay, I'll give you the money. So he gave him 10 rupees. So Manish went and उसको बोला नाई को, मैंने बोला बाल से कौन है? नहीं, थोड़ा से क्रीम कर दो, इतने से क्रीम कर दिया. इतने क्रीम कर दिया. Manish आया and he showed his hair. Principal was not happy. He was not principal. He was a principal after all. He got his hair like this. ऐसे बाल निकाले जाते हैं. And then he called his PM. John निकाल के आओ. Again he gave him 10 rupees. And he did a pretty good job. So the hair which was like initially that trimmed, and after the second haircut, that was the length of hair which remained your legs. So that was the thing.
I was the guy who had that blue standard, and every time whenever any kind of official job, I was told, please do this. So this happened quite a few times until I realized that nobody is going to stop me. Chalo aao gaadi mein baitho sare ke sare, and off we used to go, and that was the bunking. There's a confession that I would like to make. Do you remember in school, paper leak hote the? Paper leak hote the. Now, this basically is papers print होते थे, and I somehow got hold of that place, and I would very well walk in there and pick up all the papers, come and give it to Pami, and Pami would further give it to his some friends.
Yeah, I remember. I got it.
His some friends, and no, but that's not the confession. His some friends, and that's how they were kind of sold to everybody. So eventually, as all good things have to come to an end. So the school people got to know about it, and they changed the press. Now, a lot of pressure on Pami. Paper la. And he would tell me, paper la. मैं कहाँ से लाऊं? Dress change हो गई है. So eventually we both decided कि हम बैठ के पेपर लिखते हैं, हमको बनाने पेपर। So we made the paper. Pammi incidentally is praying Aroda. बड़ा शरीफ लगता है, जी करता है। So we both पेपर है, वो नहीं आ रहा, तो हम तो पढ़ के गए, पूरा स्कूल फेल, हम दोनों पास। For a while, हाजिर होते हैं ब्रेक के बाद। In the meantime, I'd like to introduce my Amma. In St. Stephen's, Manoj bhi tha हमारे साथ में. He's not here right now. Now we are some these. You know, my son got married to his daughter. No. I'm right, my son. He's my son.
Right from day one.
Yeah.
Right from day one, Gianna has been our daughter actually.
Exactly.
And Sahil has been their son.
Absolutely.
So they are together now. We are one family.
Absolutely.
And one more thing you forgot. When I shifted to Bangalore, Hosur, I brought him there also.
He went to Bangalore. He bought a house there. I bought a house there. He set up a factory in Hosur, so did I. So that's how it is. So who else?
1982, long time.
You're asking.
Maybe. Yeah. Then we live in Bangalore from last 25 years. That's what.
We have 2 kids. We have a daughter and a son. Daughter's married 4 years back. She lives very close to our house. And we have a granddaughter. She's 2.5 years old. And of course, then our son got married and we brought in another daughter. And yeah, that's it. We have a small family.
Have you heard all of you? Good to see you.
Myself Deepak Khanna, my wife Deepa. I am having 2 daughters, 1 son, 4 daughters married, and 1 son is with me. She is housewife. Hello, myself Deepak Khanna. I am having 2 daughters, both married, and 1 son. He is with me. She is housewife. Her name is Deepak Khanna. Yes. Thank you.
Finding yourselves and your friends an adventure trip, I say, because you are in Jatland and you still managed to come through the traffic and everything. So big round of applause for all of you. Thank you for being here. And I think I can see everybody's very small activity since you all have been saying that, oh, I've been married for 29 years or 30 years or more than that. So it's a small activity that we are just trying to do over here. So when I call out your names, you will have to stand up. Yeah? So, Mr. Swami Khanna, stand up. So I'm actually trying to be giving you the feel of school and trying to act like your teacher, but okay, so Mr. Swami Khanna, stand up. I'm going to be the teacher who's going to correct it. Mrs. Khanna, can I have you here, please? नहीं, आप बस खड़े रहेंगे। आपको पनिशमेंट है कि आप खड़े रहेंगे, yeah? Ma'am, who's your favorite hero? Vinod Khanna. Great, Mr. Khanna has answered that right. It's Vinod Khanna. What is your favorite pastime?
I just take care of my home and my plants.
Fantastic, a round of applause. The second question is also right. You did tending to plants. Sir, पहला वाला benefit of doubt मिलेगा। I'm talking to everyone. Ma'am, what is your favorite color?
Gold, beige.
I don't believe this. Another third one right. Exact. किसी की थी क्या जब मैं इधर आई थी? पक्का?
ये पेपर
ये मिक्की का काम।
hello.
Fantastic! Awesome! This is not easy. And the last one, what's your best friend's name?
Okay. I have two good friends, Anju and Sunanda.
Sunanda, 5 correct answers. This is fantastic. Fantastic. So, sir, what is your favorite movie?
None is favorite, but some old movie.
Name one.
Or two. Sangam can be there, or the other old movie can be there.
Any old
Any old Hindi movie.
Just 100 years old, like so.
Ma'am has written Waqt, Kagaz Ke Phool? Yeah. Okay. What's your favorite?
Black.
She's written white. What's your favorite drink? Obviously, she wanted to say vodka with nimbu pani. She's just written nimbu pani. But now you know his favorite drink is vodka. Okay, so this is the discovery round. We call it discovery round now. Okay, your first crush or girlfriend. This one is very interesting. What's her name? Okay, it's okay. Nobody will mind if you call out a name from this crowd.
So many of them he doesn't remember.
One answer right. Long list. Don't really remember who was number 1.
And the list is still going on.
Okay. When is your mom's birthday?
It's third May.
I can't forget that.
She got that one right. So big round of applause for that. Thank you so much for this performance. So I want cheer. Who's your favorite hero? Correct. He's mentioned Amitabh Bachchan. One answer right. The second answer is very interesting. Ma'am, what's your favorite pastime?
Shopping.
He has written talking. काफी चलते हैं आपने घर। Ma'am, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite? He's written blue. Okay, great. What was your school, ma'am? Which school did you go to?
I'm from Patiala in modern school.
He got that one right. Thank God. And now, what's your best friend's name?
My best friend name Alkatni.
He's got that one right too. Wait, we are not done. I want to see how ma'am has replied. Okay, his favorite movie is one, but ma'am has written horror movie. What is your favorite color?
I can't mention her name.
Black.
Ma'am has written red. Okay. This one is interesting. What's your favorite drink?
Nimbu pani.
Coco. Okay. Coco. Yeah, go. Go. Okay. Now, fourth one is your first girlfriend's name. I like this answer. Ma'am has written me.
Is it true or not? True. Very true.
And your mom's birthday.
It's 3rd October.
Ma'am
7th October.
Ma'am has given the correct answer, 7th October. He says 3rd October. So, thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
To tell that also, I think many of us have cheated because paper leakage काफी है. Not too happy about it. Though our answers were actually right, but we discussed after.
You discussed after.
Afterwards we discussed. So if you want to,
No problem. Carry on.
I should say
Yeah.
3 Idiots.
Okay. So because you have discussed, no sir. So what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Good. What's your favorite drink?
Favorite drink? Wine.
Wine. Okay. What's your first crush's name?
I still don't know.
First and only crush.
Maybe Chandrika. She's saying it's very
Thank you so younger ones, then I'm probably, and then like I've been joking with Kelly that oh you're a decade older. So but it's good to see all of you together and the vibe and everything is fantastic. I hope you have a great evening. Start is as soon as you want to get in here. Yeah? So it's up to you. So we'll disperse and okay, freshen up, come back, and then we'll start. Thank you so much. Yeah.
अच्छे से पिक्चर ले रहे हैं
चिंता ना करो यार चलो ना
सिंधी है ना? तभी तो इसकी जिम्मे करती है।
एक मिनट वेट
थैंक यू फोटो बहुत ले लिया काफी ले लिया थैंक यू एक बार ले लीजिए
एक फुल फोटो रहेगी ओके साथ में जाइए
चल पहले आपने थोड़ा